if you own a home, chances are your insurance rates are going up. Sorry about that. It was a long winter, those heavy storms that caused a lot of damage. Well, now insurers are looking to recoup some of what they paid out. It's July, but the cost of winter still hitting our wallets. Our investigative reporter, Jennifer Lewke, joins us now with the real deal on just how much more you can expect to pay.
Well, Greg, of course, the news is not good. Homeowners in Massachusetts will likely pay about $100 more next year for homeowners insurance compared to what you paid this year. You can thank that massive storm in Boston for that. If you own a home here in New York, it may be a little less of an increase, but it will be more.
The storms came on fast and furious. Highways were shut down. Cars were left stranded. Homes were buried in snow. It happened in Boston, it happened in Buffalo, and even here in the capital region, Mother Nature didn't do us any favors.
You don't sleep at night when you hear things go crack, and it makes you worry about the damage.
It's not the icicle so much, it's the water that has fed them, but it's also feeding into the house,
right.
And that's the problem.
Wet, heavy snow and sub-zero temperatures caused a lot of damage.
What were the typical claims over the winter?
Usually it's pipes breaking or ice damming is big in the Northeast, particularly in this area.
If you filed a claim, assume your rates are going up. If you filed more than one in the past few years, even if they were small, you may have a bigger problem.
If you go through 3 or 4 years and you have 3 or 4 claims like that, the company's liable to cancel you because they'll say it's more a maintenance issue.
And for those homeowners who haven't filed a single claim, well, you're not off the hook.
Depending on what happens in October or September when the storm season normally hits, you probably see a marginal increase in rates. And if you do, a lot of it's going to be tied to things like the cost of reconstruction, because as the cost of material and supplies goes up, obviously the cost to repair goes up, then that's going to affect the rates as well.
So what's the best way to save? First, talk with your agent. See if they can find you a better deal. If you haven't already, consider combining all of your insurance needs, car, home, life, into one policy. That may save you some money. If you don't have an agent, shop around. Get quotes from a number of companies and compare. Liz.